Hey friends, it's me again, back with another video. Today, we're talking about brand new speedometer calibration device for the Hyundai Tucson. So, why might you need this device? Well, if you've installed bigger wheels and tires than stock, or if your GPS system shows speed errors, that's exactly when this calibrator comes in handy. The installation is super simple. The device connects under the steering wheel directly to the system block, right where it's marked. To get there, you just need to remove a couple of covers on the dashboard. Don't worry, it's really easy. All you need is a screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Then, just plug the calibrator into the original connectors. There's no way to get it wrong since the plugs fit perfectly. Now, let's talk about how it works and the modes available. You can activate, deactivate, and switch modes simply by pulling the high beam lever 4 times. Or, of course, through the SKF Speed Version 2 app. Download it to your smartphone, connect via Bluetooth, and you'll have full control at your fingertips. This Tucson calibrator has 3 modes. First mode, 5% to increase the display speed. Second mode, 10% to increase the display speed. Third mode, completely off. Everything goes back to the original condition. Drive safe, enjoy the road, and I'll see you in the next video.